Hey there, friends. Thanks for checking in. It's time for another Handgun Showdown. This time it's Walther Arms versus Kahr Arms. You guys will vote as to which company you feel makes the best handguns. But before we do that, let's go ahead and report the results back from the last Handgun Showdown where we featured Ruger versus Smith & Wesson. This one was close. I received a ton of comments, but when we added them all up, here are the results. Ruger with a total score of 144 votes. Smith & Wesson received 180. So for this Handgun Showdown, Smith & Wesson won. Many people said they couldn't choose. It was a tie, but Smith edged it out with 180 votes. I'm going to feature 8 guns here. This will be good. I'm going to move quick, so let's go. Let's start with Walther Arms, and here we have the compact size PPQ. The PPQ is an incredible gun. A lot of people love it. I love it. It does have a 4-inch barrel. Cross-directional texturing on the grip makes it very ergonomic. Carries 15 rounds in the magazine. Front serrations for the press checks. Picatinny rail, 3-dot sights, and a very smooth 5.6 pound trigger. And here's your reset for the follow-up shots. The PPQ shines at the range. It's extremely accurate. Very nice shooting gun. Many people carry the PPQ. They do so with confidence. It's a reliable gun and just functions incredible. But here we have the PPQ subcompact. Same features, same trigger pull, same all-around feel to it, except it has a 2-finger grip here, making it shorter for CCW. Carries 10 rounds with that same trigger pull right at 5.6 pounds. And here is, once again, the same reset. Everything the compact size offers, but in a smaller package. Over here we have the CCP M2. Once again, cross-directional texturing on the grip. This is a single stack, 8-round magazine, and it does have a gas delayed blowback system, making this spring very easy to rack, and the trigger very easy to pull. The gas delayed blowback is going to cut down on some of the recoil. Many seniors like it, many women like it, and it does have a 3.54 inch barrel and a nice and accurate shooter in its own right, and they did a great job with the M2 model. Another gun I want to feature is the PPS M2. A lot of people love that as well. It's also a single stack 9mm handgun that has a 6, 7, or 8 round magazine. It has a 3.18 inch barrel, and it once again is a very nice shooter. Walthers shoot very nice, very straight, accurate, and people are confident with it. I know a lot of people carry the PPS M2. It's a wise choice, and that's it with Walther. They make great handguns. Now let's look at the single stack Kahr Arms handguns, and here we have a Kahr K9. Beautiful look and feel to it. Very sturdy with an all steel frame, 3.5 inch barrel, rubber grips, and a 7-round magazine. The one thing that you'll find with Kahr guns is that they are pretty consistent across the board. The trigger pull is a double action only. Breaks right around 6.5 pounds. Resets right there. Not quite the full position, but it's a very smooth pull. Very controllable guns because they have a stiff recoil spring, keeps the muzzle rise to a minimum as you fire, allows you to stay on target. The width of this gun is 0.9 inches, so not even an inch wide, and I love that K9. But here we have a PM45. This is a polymer frame gun. It's a 45 ACP that holds 5 rounds in the magazine, and you get many of the same characteristics with that 6.5 pound trigger pull. This is extremely small, lightweight, and compact for a 45 ACP. Both models I just featured have night sights, and this has a 3.25 inch barrel. Very nice feel to it and very controllable for a subcompact 45. Kahr's most popular model is the PM9. And get a load of this. This is why so many people carry it. You know, you can throw it in the pocket, you can put it on the ankle, you can put it anywhere. It's just so small, so lightweight. 3.1 inch barrel. Does come with a 6-round magazine and that same 6.5 pound trigger pull. Once again, I said they were consistent, and they are. Resets right there for the follow-up shots. Also has night sights. Very nice package. Very small, lightweight, and compact. Now, one of the larger models is this ST9. This one here is a TIG edition. It does have a cryptic finish on there, black slide, It is unloaded, does have an 8-round magazine, and this is a unique looking gun, but man, does it function. It just fires. Very nice shooting gun. Once again, the same trigger pull. Does have a 4-inch barrel, and this thing, yeah, I can just shoot the lights out with this handgun right here. Different look to it, same function. Excellent Kahr Arms handguns. So there it is. Which one of these companies do you feel makes better handguns? Is it Walther Arms or Kahr Arms? I look forward to hearing what you guys have to say. Go ahead and leave a comment. I'll tally them up and report the results with the next Handgun Showdown. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.